Good morning to all of you, class 8th student. I became very glad whenever if you take interest in your study, and I request you stay home and maintain social distancing. This is my request in all of you. Once again, I am requesting you all our dear students, you please maintain social distancing. Only social distancing can protect you from this epidemic conditions. And whatever the mask is concerned, mask is essential everywhere, but when you go in rush or crowded areas, then you must use mask, and then after you must use this type of sanitizer anyway, and you always take care of yourself. Thank you. Now let's we have a look on electrostatic force, what we have studied in the previous class. Electrostatic force, nowadays you will have seen that there is a thunderstorm and lightning is occurring in our Bihar region, and there are so many people had gone into the death. So this is an electrostatic force. It is a non-contact force. Electrostatic force. It is a non-contact force. When we rub a plastic scale with our dry hair or bring it near to the beads of paper, it attracts them because the plastic scale gets charged. The force of attraction or repulsion, definition is the force of attraction or repulsion caused due to the charged object objects is called the electrostatic force. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स में जो मैंने लिखा यहाँ पे फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्सन, सेम पोल्स मतलब सेम चार्जेस, रिपल्सन opposite charges, attraction. So to now what is an electrostatics, whatever if you will do so, the best example of electrostatic force in our nature is lightning into the sky. The best example of electrostatic force in nature is thunder and lightning storm, and lightning during rainy season. Okay. Now another point important, what is electrostatics? As physics, it's a part of physics, electrostatics, the study of charged objects. And their behavior is called called the electrostatic force. Sorry, electrostatics. Okay. Now we have already studied this one, and let us know where else in your daily life you can experience the presence of electrostatic force. You might have noticed that when your mother empties polypack or pulses into the container, some of pulse grains get stuck to the polythene and do not fall in the container. मतलब देखिएगा जो कुछ दाल वगैरह जो पॉलीथीन में रखते हैं तो उसमें रह ही जाता है. इसका कारण यह है कि ये दोनों पॉलीपैक में जो रहता है तब तक जो पार्टिकल्स चार्ज हो जाते हैं तो कुछ अट्रैक्शन पावर उसमें आ जाता है. इफ़ यू स्टैंड नियर द स्क्रीन ऑफ अ वर्किंग टेलीविजन विथ synthetic cloths or cloths are attracted by the television screen. This is because a working television screen is negatively charged. The negative charge of the screen attracts the neutral cloths towards it. Objects having no charge on them are called neutral. जिस पर कोई चार्ज नहीं होता है वो न्यूट्रल कहलाता है. अब बेटा हम लोग चलते हैं प्रेशर क्या होता है. देखिए आप अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में बहुत सारे ऐसे एग्जांपल्स देखे होंगे. से चाकू को देख लीजिए, सेब को देख लीजिए. चाकू पर प्रेशर, वो एक पार्ट जहाँ दोनों तरफ मोटा रहेगा तो सेब कटेगा नहीं, थुथरा जाएगा. लेकिन यहाँ प्रेशर की बात है तो प्रेशर देखते हैं कैसे प्रेशर को लोग झेलता है. प्रेशर दबाव, the force exerted in per unit area the pressure. Pressure is equal to force बटे area. Thus it is clear that pressure is directly proportional to the force applied and inversely proportional to the area. So thus it is clear that pressure and force and pressure have inverse relationship related terms. The pressure increases when the area of contact is decreased. and the pressure increases. When the force increases. When the force increases. Cutting and piercing tools are made sharp. There are so many examples of pressure. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton by 1 meter square. Pressure is a vector quantity. There are so many examples of pressure. In our day-to-day life. Cutting of say of apples by a knife. The edge of knife is sharp. Very sharp means area of contact is very low, very short, very small. So that pressure is legal. अब आप अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में ये भी देख सकते हैं कि ट्रैक्टर का जो मोटा वाला बीच वाला पहिया होता है वो बहुत चौड़ा होता है। उसके बाद आप तोप मशीन गन वगैरह, उसके बाद ये जो जेसीबी देखते हैं उसका चक्के का पहिया बहुत चौड़ा होता है। उसके बाद बड़ा बड़ा जो पिलर्स होता है पुल का, उसका भी एरिया बहुत ज़्यादा चौड़ा करके दिया जाता है, जिससे कि जितना भी जर्क पड़े, प्रेशर पड़े, वो मेंटेन्ड है। चलिए बेटा, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे। नेक्स्ट डे हम लोग पढ़